We are going to make these cherry muffins. Let's get started, but first.
And I also want to try out my new baking pan, which is silicone, and also a muffin pan that folds flat for storage. Let me show it to you. So here we have it. It is completely flat, and these guys come out so that you can make some muffins.
Hi, my name is Dory, and I've lost over 80 pounds and kept it off. I finally have food freedom, and I feel natural and neutral about my food choices. While I follow Brightline Eating, I deeply respect whatever journey you are on. This is one of my recipe creations, and I hope you enjoy it. This is going to be a double portion, so go ahead and make sure you mash your bananas, add your 2 eggs, and your nut butter. From here, add your vanilla extract, cherry extract, and then your baking soda, baking powder, and salt to activate everything. Then your dry oats. You can leave them whole if you like. Stir it all together and add your cherries. Leave a few cherries to the side for a topping. Refrigerate for 30 minutes and then put them in the pan. Bake them at 350 for 45 minutes. By the way, there'll be a screenshot at the end of this video for you of the recipe. That is it, my friends. Look how easy they came out of this baking pan while still hot. What I love about these muffins is that I get 2 nicely sized portions. These muffins are fluffy and spongy, just the way I prefer it to be. I also love that we actually have a muffin top. So I think this is such a good muffin. Out of all the BLE type muffins that I have made, this is my favorite. If you make it, are inspired by it, or adapt it in any way, I'm so happy that this works for you. Make sure to tag me so I can take a look and give you all that love, and high five to you. Let's take a bite. Yeah. Look, I got a cherry. The muffin top.